Artificial intelligence (AI) has the potential to revolutionize our world, but it also poses significant risks. One major concern is the loss of jobs as AI systems become capable of performing tasks better and more efficiently than humans. This could lead to mass unemployment and economic instability. Another danger is the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence and become uncontrollable. If AI systems become self-aware, they could make decisions that are not aligned with human values or safety, leading to catastrophic consequences. Additionally, AI can be weaponized, leading to new forms of warfare and mass destruction. Cybersecurity is another area of concern, as AI can be used to launch sophisticated cyber attacks, stealing sensitive information and causing widespread damage. Moreover, the misuse of AI in surveillance can lead to loss of privacy and civil liberties. As AI technology continues to advance, it is crucial to address these risks to ensure a safe and beneficial integration of AI into our society.